here's an idea for another stay-at-home gardening activity that you could try at home. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some windowsill salad shoots or sprouts. Doesn't need any soil or really any expertise, just some seeds and a dish and some kitchen paper. I hope it works for you. I'm just going to use some a Pyrex lid and some kitchen paper, ordinary kitchen paper. This one's 2 sheets folded over once. This is a way of sprouting some salad shoots for on the windowsill for adding to your salads and sandwiches. It's really easy and it's quick. And I'm just using rocket seeds for this one, but you can use cress or mustard or any of the seeds that are safe for making edible sprouts. You're going to just use water, there's no soil required, so water on this paper towel and then the seeds on top should be enough to bring them just to the sprouting stage where they've got a little, maybe an inch long growth of sprout that you can then harvest and put into a salad. So it's easy to do at home if you don't have any compost to hand. I think the best order for doing things in is to water the paper first. So I've just got a watering can here. We'll just dampen this paper. I think the risk is if you do the watering later, the seeds will tend to roll about on this dry paper and concentrate in the middle rather than being evenly spread, which is what you want for them to sprout, for them all to sprout nice and equally. So taking some rocket seeds, just a pinch in the palm of my hand, and then just spread them out, sprinkle them on the damp paper so that they are not too heavily sown, but not terribly spaced out either, because they're not going to need to put on a lot of growth, so they don't need a huge amount of space to themselves, each seed. So it might look something like that when you're finished. And then just leave them on a windowsill so they get a little bit of sunshine, and keep the paper damp. That's the most important thing to do. And you should find that in a couple of days you've got some tiny sprouts, and then a couple more days and they should be ready to eat. So you can just rinse them to take the seed husks off, or you can eat them as they are. And they're nice in salads, they're also good in sandwiches, and I'm sure you could put them, sprinkle on the top of some soup or lots of other dishes too. You could make up your own ideas. All right, happy sprouting.